Okay, so after almost 2 months shipping from China, I finally got this one. This is the second one. The first one didn't work. So this one is called the Smart Lock with fingerprint, Bluetooth. I also bought the gateway so I can use it as Wi-Fi. So they come with everything in here. Now let me see if the keypad is working. The first one, the keypad doesn't work. Okay. All the keys are in here and all the stuff that need to be used are in here. This is the bolt. Okay, so this is the set. First thing first, we need to plug it in to see if it works. So behind here they have a cable that's going to plug in there. So to plug this in correctly, they painted one side black. So the black should go to the black. So now we plug it in solidly. Now we'll put a battery in and see if the keypad will turn on. The keypad is on now. Perfect. So now this electronic works. So as soon as we turn on the Tuya, the device see it right away. It's called F31, so we're going to add this one. The Tuya app is really good. So let's see how long it's going to take for this one to be added. Now let's test using the USB-C because there's no battery. Now I use this battery here and it works.
Operation failed.
My finger.
Lock has been opened.
Good. So it does work with a USB-C pad.
Lock closed.
Okay, so we're going to replace that with this one here, the slag. All right, so this is the Deadbolt. Unscrew these and take them out. So this is the American version of the house. And let's see if it will fit perfectly or not. All right, so we need to take this one out from the old one. So inside this one, there's a sleeve for some reason. So we better make sure the sleeve is good. Okay, so it said here, this side is up. This one is a little taller. All right, so we removed it and put this one in. It fits perfectly, I think. Okay, so we need to slide this one in through here, just like that. All the way. And it should fit these two holes. Okay, so watch out when you do this. If this cable gets stuck in the way, it's not gonna be good. So I think the best is put the cable to the top. Okay, so make sure we use the black screw for this one, 3 of them. Okay, so if the door is going from the bolt coming from this side, then we have to set the switch to the opposite, which is all the way to the end there. So when would you put it to the top, then you have more room on the cable to plug it in. And then we're going to slide the rod through this cross there, the shaft. So we need to slide it in. Into the cross there. Where there are 3 screws that we need to put in to secure this one in place. All right, let's use a short screw. Okay, so it's all done. Let's use the key first. The key is very good. Lock is very good. We're going to plug this USB. When the power is on, it's automatically turn on. Now I'm going to unlock it with my finger.
Lock has been opened.
So make sure it go out smoothly or it's going to drain the battery.
Lock closed.
All right, let's test with the phone. Tap and hold.
Lock has been opened.
Wow, that's pretty good. And then it will automatically come back.
Lock closed.
So let's do the key, the password.
Lock has been opened.
Okay, it's working. So if you turn off the automatic lock because it's annoying, so you have to manually lock, you need to press the pound.
Lock closed. Lock has been opened. Lock closed. Lock has been opened.
Okay, so it's done.
Lock closed.
My finger.
Lock has been opened.
And we're going to do the fingerprint. So I'm going to add. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, start capturing.
Please place your finger. Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again. Adding succeeded.
Wow. So next time when you do it, you have to do it sideways like that, right?
That's fine. I don't want to do it like this. That's uncomfortable.
Okay. Hold on. So test it. All right. Hold it and then.
Lock has been opened.
Wow, it works. So one way to get the key code that is securely is every time we come to the door and we obtain dynamic password. So we take this one and it will expire in 5 minutes and we copy the password, paste it. So 820.16327, and then we enter that. It will open the door for us. So that's the best way. Or you can generate a password. You add a password to your alarm. Actually, you enter whatever you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then call it a name, test, and you save it. Okay, so if we need to control the F31 when we're not home or out of range with the Bluetooth, like we're upstairs and we want to open the lock for someone, then we need the Zigbee gateway. And this one will connect to the Wi-Fi, and the Bluetooth of this one will connect to the F31. So we need to put this Zigbee gateway close to the F31, so right by the door somewhere, so it's always connected. But if we use this one, the problem is that the Bluetooth always connected, therefore the battery will not last as long. So we only use this when we're leaving the house, the whole family. And in case if we need to open the door for someone, then we can remotely open the door. So when the gateway is installed, we open the gateway and we're going to add a device. And this one here we're going to use associate Bluetooth device because we want to connect to the F31 via Bluetooth. Associate with the Bluetooth device. So we're going to add this one to it. Okay, so we're going to do now. Okay, so when our Bluetooth is out of range, like we're outside the house, and if we put in the Zigbee gateway, we turn it on and put it next to the door, then we will connect with the Bluetooth. Then we can unlock it, just like we're next to the door with our phone as a Bluetooth. So now I use Tuya apps for all of my devices. So when I buy a device, I want to make sure it's Tuya app compatible. So I can use for the door locks, the home alarm, and also the cameras, security camera around the house. So the camera, some of these are very, very high resolution, so it's really good. It's in HD. So I use the door locks, like we just talked about it here with the Bluetooth. And then we use that for the alarm for the house. So we have two alarms that are connected together. One's for the garage and one's for the inside the house. So we just arm and then we disarm. And it will notify you if the alarm is tripped.